you can't tell, but she's soaking wet. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. I know. You hate water. But if we dry you, you're gonna smell like a stinking dog. Every time. This is why we don't give her baths. I don't know why it's orange. It's strange. Baby, are you okay? I think that's a yes. Aww. By the way, I canceled the face reveal. So yeah. Just gonna live with it. It won't kill you at all today. Alright. Oh, okay, I might do it for Christmas. I don't know. No. Not Christmas, somewhere. Still. If I do face reveal, it would probably be at 6 p.m. So yeah. See ya.